Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best lunchbox for adult women, the EASYFUN Insulated Lunch Bag. Whether you're heading to work, traveling, camping, or simply enjoying a picnic, this lunch bag promises to keep your food fresh, warm, or cold, all day long. The EASYFUN lunch bag stands out with its human-centered design. It features a semi-open style with a spacious main compartment that comfortably fits your lunch containers, snacks, and drinks. What makes it really practical is how effortless it is to load and access your food. On top of that, there's a front zipper pocket, perfect for small essentials like keys, phone chargers, or napkins, ensuring that everything you need is within easy reach. Durability is a key aspect of this bag. It is made from waterproof Oxford cloth, which not only resists water but is also tear-resistant. This means it's built to last through daily use and the occasional rough handling. Inside, the thick insulating foam helps maintain the temperature of your food for several hours. The lining is made from aluminum foil, which is not only odor-free but also easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. Importantly, the materials are BPA-free, so you can feel confident that your food is stored safely. One of the great things about this lunch bag is its versatility. Designed with a sturdy linen handle and reinforced sewing, it can easily carry lunch boxes, fruits, and drinks all at once without feeling bulky. Whether you're at the office or out on a camping trip, it makes carrying your meals simple and comfortable. The bag measures 11.5 inches long, 7 inches wide, and 8.5 inches high, offering ample room for your daily meal needs. It's available in multiple colors, giving you options that suit your style whether you're a man or a woman. In terms of care, the EASYFUN lunch bag requires hand washing only, which helps maintain its quality over time. Weighing just 6.3 ounces, it's lightweight and won't add unnecessary bulk to your belongings. EASYFUN backs this product with a 3-month warranty and attentive customer service, showing their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. If you're looking for a reliable, durable, and stylish insulated lunch bag that can keep your meals fresh and enjoyable throughout the day, the EASYFUN Insulated Lunch Bag is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.